The next 12 hours are extremely important for the state. Because in Mumbai, Thane, Vasai, Virar, Kalyan, Dombivli, and even Pune, Raigarh, Ratnagiri, Konkan, and some parts of Marathwada, there are heavy showers pouring down. So, if we look at the overall situation, rain has made its presence felt everywhere in the state right now, and because of this rain, daily life in some areas seems to have been disrupted. Since Tuesday morning, that is, today, the intensity of the rain has been high in many areas. The Meteorological Department has also issued a red alert for several districts in the state. Now, which are these districts? Mumbai, Pune Ghat region, Konkan, Raigarh, and Palghar districts have been warned of extremely heavy rainfall, and a yellow alert has been issued for Marathwada as well as Vidarbha. Sambhajigarh, Jalna, Beed, Latur, Amravati, Chandrapur, and Gadchiroli districts have been given an orange alert. On Monday, due to the rain, Mumbai's local train services had collapsed, and even today, the situation remains the same. In many parts of Mumbai, whether it's the city itself or the suburbs, in the eastern, central, and western suburbs, the intensity of the rain is still strong. Since midnight, the intensity of the rain has increased in many areas. Because of this, areas like Andheri, Valpale, Jogeshwari, Gorgaon, Malad, and Borivali have been hit hard by heavy rain. If we talk about the suburbs and central suburbs, then in areas like Mulund, Bhandup, Ghatkopar, and Vikhroli, and in the city areas like Matunga beyond Sion, Dadar, and King's Circle, the intensity of the rain has remained constant, because of which the roads here are submerged underwater. And as a result of this, after the warning issued by the Meteorological Department, a holiday has been declared today for schools in Mumbai, Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli, and even in Palghar. If we talk about Thane, which is adjacent to Mumbai, the situation in Thane city is the same as well. Water has accumulated on the roads in the Ram Maruti road area. This is directly affecting the vehicle drivers because at some places, two-wheelers and rickshaws can be seen stalled. If we go further beyond Thane, heavy rain showers are lashing Mira Bhayandar as well as Vasai and Virar cities too. For the past 4 days, heavy rain has been persistent in this area, so Vasai and Virar currently look like lakes. The roads there are submerged underwater. It is reported that even the basements of some buildings in certain areas have gone underwater. So, to be honest, today and the next 12 hours are extremely important for the entire state. If we move beyond Mumbai and Thane and talk about areas like Raigarh, Ratnagiri, and Kolhapur, then in Konkan, the Jagbudi, Amba, and Kundalika rivers have crossed the warning level. In Chiplun, the Vashishti river is in flood. A red alert has been issued for the Ghat regions of Kolhapur and Satara, so the Meteorological Department has also appealed to citizens to remain alert. Speaking about Pune, the rain has continued with full force since midnight not just in Ondh, Baner, Bavdhan, but also in urban areas like Navi Peth, Sadashiv Peth, Kothurud, Varje, Ambegaon, as well as in Vishrantwadi, Alandi, and further ahead in Dhanori. Because of this, Pune too is currently experiencing heavy rainfall. Due to this, roadwork is ongoing at some places in Pune. So, Punekars will also have to face traffic jams today. And apart from this, the Meteorological Department has also issued a red alert for Pune today. Therefore, due to the warning of heavy rain, Punekars should also be careful while stepping out, and people across the state should only go out if it's necessary. Whether it's Mumbai or Pune, everyone who needs to go out for work should plan their time properly before leaving home and only step out if it's absolutely essential. Because the Meteorological Department has issued a warning of extremely heavy rainfall today.